Students, welcome to my channel Agricultural Engineering Online. With continuation of the solution of GATE paper 2018, question number 44 under the section of Soil and Water Conservation Engineering. So this is a simple question. The question says three geometrically identical lysimeters A, B and C installed in a paddy field have uniform initial ponding depths of 12 centimeter. After a week, the recorded water depths in A, B and C are 10.4 centimeter, 8.6 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. Rainfall received during this week is 15 millimeter and the crop coefficient of paddy is 0.94. Lysimeter edge A has a closed bottom with no plants. Lysimeter B has an open bottom with no plant. Lysimeter C has an open bottom with paddy plants. Neglecting the boundary effects and groundwater contribution in the lysimeter, the weekly potential evapotranspiration will be dash centimeter. This is a straightforward question of lysimeter actually, which is used to calculate the evapotranspiration, potential evapotranspiration and actual evapotranspiration, seepage loss and other things. So let us solve this question. It's very straightforward and easy. So let us, this is the condition in the field. So three lysimeters are installed in a rice field. So let us lysimeter A, lysimeter B and lysimeter C are installed in a paddy field. So the open paddy field. The initial ponding depth, initial ponding depth means the this is the ponding depth, you can say. This is the initial depth was there. So this is the water level of the paddy field. Okay, get it. So this was there initially. So now what has happened actually? So the first paddy field, so weekly rainfall in this after the installation of lysimeters, the weekly rainfall is 15 millimeter, which is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Now total depth, ponding depth is given, there is 12 centimeter plus this rainfall is 1.5 centimeter. So total depth water should be 13.5 centimeter if there is no evapotranspiration loss or any losses from the lysimeters, any lysimeter. Okay, so this is the total depth should be there. Now we will calculate. So if you see that first one, the lysimeter A, which is having the closed bottom and open one, so that means there will be no loss through the seepage or deep seepage or anything we can say. So only there is no plants on the first lysimeter A, therefore there will be no transpiration. So only the evaporation will be there. Therefore after 1 week the depth of the water is 10.4 centimeter. Coming to the lysimeter B, which is open bottom and also top open, and there is no paddy, no plants, therefore there is no transpiration, but there will be deep seepage and evaporation, so due to sun and other things or air. So there is E plus dP, you can say first one is only evaporation and second one is the evaporation plus deep percolation, you can say, or CP, whatever. So there is deep percolation and E will be there. So therefore the water remaining after 1 week is 8.6 centimeter. Coming to the lysimeter C, which is a open bottom and open top, and it's having plants. So that means rice plants are there. Therefore, it is having all the losses. That is E, evaporation plus transpiration plus deep percolation. Everything will be there. So therefore, this one will be having the lowest water table. That is 7 centimeter. It's very clear cut. So three lysimeters having 10.4, 8.6 and 7 centimeter water table after 1 week and having rainfall of 1.5 centimeter. Now coming to, we will calculate the all the evaporation, evapotranspiration. So let us lysimeter A. So evaporation is 13.5 initial, total water minus remaining water is 10.4. Therefore 3.1 centimeter is the loss, which is called the evaporation. So evaporation loss will be 3.1 centimeter. It's very clear. So this is 3.1 centimeter. The lysimeter B, that is evaporation plus depopulation loss will be equal to 13.5 minus remaining 8.6, that will be equal to 4.9 centimeter. So this is E plus dP. Then lysimeter C, that is all the losses will be there, that means E plus T plus dP, that means evaporation, transpiration and depopulation, that is 13.5 minus 7 is the remaining water table, therefore the total loss will be 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Now if you see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Therefore, three equations if you put together, then there will be evapotranspiration. Evapotranspiration is evaporation plus transpiration. So that means ET will be equal to E plus T plus dP minus, that is the equation 3. Equation 3 minus equation 2 plus equation 1. Then it will be ET, or then E plus T we require. Therefore 6.5 minus 4.9 plus 3.1, this is equal to 4.7 centimeter. Okay, this is the evapotranspiration, or you can say measured evapotranspiration from the lysimeter A, B and C. It's calculated on the basis of the experiment. Now there is a given crop coefficient. So crop coefficient is, if crops would not have been there, then there will be less loss actually. Therefore, to find out the potential evapotranspiration, so PET, we can just evapotranspiration is calculated on the potential evapotranspiration into crop coefficient. Therefore, the potential evapotranspiration will be equal to 4.7. This evapotranspiration calculated from this experiment divided by coefficient of this crop coefficient. So that will be equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, the evapotranspiration, potential evapotranspiration from the eddy field will be equal to 5 centimeter. So this is the answer for this question. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel.